Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Mariam, and if you've been watching me, thank you very much for sticking with the family. If you are not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. Thank you very much. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. It's a skincare video but in an unboxing-ish type. So we're going to unbox the steam room, which is normally called the Sauna by my spa, and I decided to do a little unboxing with you guys and to try using it myself, because we have been using the complete traditional method in my spa. We have never used any electricity at all. I am a strong believer in organic, so we've been strictly traditional, and a lot of my customers have been asking for the steam room, so I decided to get one because we're here for the customers. We do what they want. So let's unbox it. This is what I haven't opened it at all. I got it from Lagos, and it says body care. Beauty spa is such a product which adopts the principle of ancient, it's difficult to read, ancient steam, sauna, and use modern technology. Steam is a natural, effective way to promote a refreshing sense of well-being. It brings the beauty, relaxation, and going to use it without any chemicals or whatever. This is just to aid with the steam, you understand? So let's see what we have inside, what it comes with. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is what the box looks like. I don't know anything about the brand Body Care, so I cannot say anything about the brand. I have no idea what this is. So I think this is the main deal. Oh Lord! It literally slapped me. I didn't expect it to be this big. Guys, it's huge. It's huge. I can fit into it. Can you see me? Oh Lord, it's so... We'll have to read the manual. And I think this is the chair. Maybe where you sit inside. So it also comes with a chair. Okay, I think this is the steam sauce. Oh guys, I love doing this. How many people love doing this as kids? Not only as a kid, I still love doing it. It's so satisfying. Very, very satisfying. I will keep it and continue doing it later. If you love doing this, you have to subscribe to my channel. If you hate doing this, subscribe to my channel. Either way, you should subscribe to my channel. So we have this. Looks like a foot flask. Okay, we'll have to read the manual. Oh, I'm a genius. I I'm reading the manual. Okay. So these are basically what it came with. This pipe, whatever, I don't know what it is used for. Let's see. And then we have this. This is the manual. We have this inside. I don't know. Let's read the manual and see how we can fix it. So this is what they are saying. Step 1. Step 1 is to basically open the whole thing. still trying to figure out how to keep this thing. They didn't say keep, they like said assemble the metal tie. Number one, this is not even metal. I don't know, maybe my knowledge of metal is not very clear, but this is not metal, so I still did not figure out how to assemble it. It looks like they just kept it here, so I'll try keeping it. Oh, let's see. So you can see work. I think this is a timer, so you time it maybe to the time you want your treatment to be. So since it's just a trial treatment, I'm going to time it for 10 minutes. So after the treatment, I will just bath. So this is what the setup looks like. I'm still waiting for 8 minutes. So guys, it is 8 minutes now and I am going in. But guys, I am enjoying this therapy, so enjoying it. I'll have to come and remove this hijab and redo it again, but I am sweating. This is the end of my video. I hope we've learned together how to assemble this thing, and I hope you come to my spa for some steam treatment. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. I'm going to enjoy my steam spa.